Today, we're diving into the Wi-Fi 7 gaming motherboard magnetic base replacement antenna by Slinkdsco, a sleek and high-performance upgrade designed for MSI's latest MAG X870, Z890 Tomahawk, MPG X870E Carbon, X870E Edge, B850, and B850P series motherboards. This antenna isn't just a replacement, it's a significant enhancement for gamers and power users who demand faster, more reliable wireless connectivity. With Wi-Fi 7 support, it promises lower latency, higher bandwidth, and smoother online experiences, whether you're gaming, streaming, or handling intensive workloads. What sets this antenna apart are its standout features. The magnetic base ensures easy installation and a secure fit, eliminating the hassle of screws or adhesives. Its compact, low-profile design is a plus for those with space constraints, while the high-gain dual-band capability maximizes signal strength for both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequencies. Wi-Fi 7 support is the star here, offering speeds up to 40% faster than Wi-Fi 6E and improved multi-device handling, thanks to features like 320 MHz channels and multi-link operation. The build quality feels premium, with a durable casing that resists interference, and the included extended cable provides flexibility in positioning for optimal reception. In real-world use, this antenna delivers on its promises. Gamers will appreciate the reduced lag and more stable connections, especially in fast-paced titles where every millisecond counts. Streaming 4K or 8K content is noticeably smoother, with fewer buffering interruptions. The magnetic base is a small but brilliant touch. It stays firmly in place, but can be repositioned effortlessly if needed. However, it's worth noting that while the antenna excels in open spaces, its performance can dip slightly in environments with thick walls or heavy interference. For most users, this won't be an issue, but those in densely packed apartments might need to experiment with placement. Compared to other aftermarket antennas, Slinkdsco's offering holds its own. Many competitors lack Wi-Fi 7 support or rely on clunky mounting systems. The magnetic base gives it an edge over screw-on alternatives, and the build quality feels more robust than cheaper plastic models. That said, if you're on a tight budget, there are older Wi-Fi 6 antennas available for less, but you'll miss out on future-proof performance. To get the most out of this antenna, position it as high as possible and away from large metal objects or other electronics that could cause interference. If your router supports Wi-Fi 7, ensure it's configured to take full advantage of the new standard. Regularly updating your motherboard's drivers will also help maintain peak performance. Overall, the Slinkdsco Wi-Fi 7 gaming motherboard antenna is a fantastic upgrade for anyone with a compatible MSI motherboard. It's ideal for gamers, content creators, and professionals who need blazing fast, reliable wireless connections. While it's not the cheapest option, the combination of Wi-Fi 7 support, magnetic convenience, and solid performance makes it a worthwhile investment. If you're looking to future-proof your setup and squeeze every bit of speed from your network, this antenna is a smart choice. Thanks for tuning in, and happy gaming! Catch you in the next review.